Welcome to the US Open practice squad. You guys are gonna miss the first squad. It was 49 feet.
We were dialed
super hard. You'll see footage of that tomorrow. Second pattern, 43 feet. Third pattern, 39 feet. We'll get you that footage right now. We're the Power Tour boys. I just wanted to get this on camera. I feel like sometimes our ball rep, Dino Castillo, lets us down by telling us that certain balls aren't going to work, and then they do. This better strike.
Yeah, you're going to need to throw a good one here, bud.
Always strike.
It's struck.
Always strikes. That's a double. Someone tell him.
What do you even know? What does he even know?
All right there, Logan Paul.
It's actually fantastic. I was really hoping it was going to be bad. It's actually sensational.
Chris, how's this tournament going to go for you? We snuck in.
Didn't sneak in. Threw good shots to make it, mate. I'm looking forward to this tournament.
If you had a prediction on where you're going to finish, 1 through 114, where would it be?
Is there 114 people?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I back myself in every event. Numero uno.
He's a new man this year. Back to the Power Tour?
Yes.
Matching ball, matching jersey.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys.
Fresh on YouTube.
Yeah,
Are you gonna strike for us?
No.
All the viewers said that if you struck, they're subscribing to you.
Alright, even better. Hopefully I strike.
Tell him, Timmy.
That's T-Foy Jr. 300.
Like that.
Little flotation.
Hot topic. Who's got the best shoe collection on tour?
Out of the bowlers or?
Sean Ryan is not included.
Oh, me.
You? Chris, who's got the best shoe collection on tour? Sean Ryan not included.
Darren. Pretty easy answer.
Kaz?
Oh.
Oh!
8 spares a good frame.
7. Not just call that. Did I not just call 7?
You want me to show you the video?
Literally stands right in front of me so I can watch my guy.
He's mad at me because I was videoing.
Because this Power Torque was about to look like money, and then
And then it
couldn't see
didn't.
it. 0.
Huh?
Where are you throwing this thing?
It was like 17 to like 7.
My miss is just dead up the back.
Yeah.
Big new jersey brand. Okay, boys. So good. So good. So good. What do we got here? Team Zelo?
Cello gear.
Zello?
Yes.
New Jersey brand?
Yeah.
What's the over-under on this? Oh my God! Here's the thing. I asked right before. I said, "What's the over/under?" Frankie said 6, and then immediately goes, "I'll take the over because that's my boy."
Yes. He's right. I take the over for Frankie all the time. Like this right here. This is guaranteed a strike. It's not like a potential thing that it might not strike. It's 100% gonna strike.
If that's what you think.
Put $1 on it. That's got a hook.
For some reason,
No,
I still think
because he
that's
said
got a
I
better
win.
chance to hurt.
So that was like 12-9, right, Chris?
Yeah, that was close. It's a good first guess.
I'm standing up there laughing at the fact that I know I'm not going to hit 14 because that's not what I was going to do.
You kind of were close then if you weren't gonna do it.
Like, what do I do? And then you said 14 to 7. I was like, I'm about to go like 8 or 9 to like 6. That's
Well,
not-
it wasn't that either.
Oh, you know.
14-7, dude. For the people, show us how accurate you are.
Dude, that struck when I came to the fair about 20 minutes ago. Okay, now I feel like you. Now I was good the whole practice session. Now I feel lost.
I'm dialed in now. I hit the pocket like 5 or 6 shots. From the heater.
I'm giving them the heater up and out,
All right.
up the outside.
What is the heater? When I think of heater, I think of like 22 miles an hour. Your heater's like 18.6.
I only got about 19.
All right. Well, Sloan said it's all relative to the bowler.
It is. I agree with that. Now we're gonna drop it about 5 miles an hour and start striking.
And not give him the heater?
The over/under on 1 here. He's gonna miss it. To the left. Not fair if he hooks out his
No, I learned that if you swear on camera, it brings down revenue on the channel. So I'm gonna just say I got.
Throw it to the gutter with my purple hanger. And I have a couple different ones that roll with it. No, I had one.
Nah, missed the call. Missed the call. Look, LeBron shooting a layup.
I'll shoot that.
I'll wrist.
No to eating or no to shaking?
They don't fly here.
That's because I gotta give him the heater. I came to watch you light him up, not miss the head. Come on now. Purple pen.
With a horrendous rack, so it's gonna flat me if I hit the pocket.
8-10. Yeah. What balls are we writing down?
Purple, purple, red ball, big aces. There you go. That's my answer.
Power torque?
I think you might do it. I think so. There's like 3 balls that I'm not really sure like what to do. Like I had 5 balls that looked good, and the other 4 I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna say I had like 6 that looked good and 4 that was just empty slots, and one of those 6 was my spare ball. So there's that.
Practice session is done. 3 patterns, 49 feet,
10
43
balls,
feet.
locked in, 49, 43, 39.
Yes, they're all hard. They're all hard. The score's gonna be low. It's U.S. Open. They're supposed to be like.
I think it's gonna be the lowest scoring U.S. Open in a long time.
I would agree, but not too low that we can't get there. So yeah, let's make it happen, Captain. Also, I just dropped some new merch on thehousebowling.com.
New merch,
I
new
also have
music.
new music that's out. It's called Sad Boy Volume 1. Go check that out. And
Links down below.
or above or here on my face. It doesn't matter.
I'm
but
not that
anyways,
good.
yeah, it's
Not
just
that good.
we'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, U.S. Open. The tour season's here, baby.
Day 1 coming.
Coming now.